Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 38, Grammatica Latina. So here we have practice with the chart for hic, haec, hoc. So the pronoun, the demonstrative pronoun, this and that, hic, haec, hoc, singular and plural. So we're going to go horizontally across the chart here. In the nominative case, masculine, hic, feminine, haec, neuter, hoc. And then the plural, he, these guys, or these masculine things. And then hai, these feminine things. And then haec, these neuter things. And then Orberg always goes with the accusative next. So hunk, honk, hoc, nominative accusative always the same. And then the accusative plural hos, has, and haec, nominative accusative the same in the neuter. So go ahead and try the rest of that chart on your own. Let's go on to exercise number 12. Exercise 12 is practice with verb forms. So which tense? Future or present indicative? Or is it present subjunctive? And so you have to use the Latin abbreviations for these in your answer. And we have our examples, neget, which comes from negara. Okay, so it's a first conjugation verb, or remember ara, era, ira. So the first conjugation, and so the a turns to an e in the present subjunctive. And auget from augera, so that is just the regular indicative, present indicative. And then leget from legera, third conjugation, and you end up, that is the future. So ace et. So if it is, remember that first conjugation, ara verbs, turn into the subjunctive by going to e. The a becomes an e. The second, third, and fourth conjugations, you end up with an a in your subjunctive. And the third conjugation, the future, is formed with ace et, amus aetus ent. And the same thing with the fourth conjugation, third and fourth conjugations with ace et, amus aetus ent instead of bo bis bit. So let's practice here. We have dolet from dolera. And so if the second conjugation, dolet is just going to be the present indicative, praesens indicativus. And then colet from cholera, third conjugation. So third conjugation, when you have an et, it is the future. So future. Ambulet, which is from ambulare, first conjugation. So when you get an e here in the first conjugation, you know that it's subjunctive. So praesens conjunctivus. Conjunctivus. Okay, so try the rest of those. If you don't know which conjugation it belongs to, then you'll need to look it up. So you need to know that, like, scribera is third conjugation, scribo, scribera. Habera is second conjugation, and turbara, this is first conjugation. And so you need to know that for all your verbs to be able to do this exercise. So good luck with that, and let's try exercise number 13. Exercise 13, we have practice with principal parts. So I'm hoping you're making flashcards for these as you go through the chapter. The meaning on one side in English, and then the forms on the other. So agnoskora, to recognize, to get to know. Agnoskora, agnovi, agnovise. And then the rest of those. Go ahead and try this section on your own now. And when you're done, it's time to review. Get ready for your pensa. And then I'll see you in chapter 39.